Today, we go on a summer picnic, no matter where you are. Plump seared sausage and market-fresh vegetables. Brilliantly colored summer squash zucchini in 2 different amazing shapes. A bunch of ruby red radish and summer favorite scallions or green onions. Let's dive into our peaceful prep. Any sausages will do. Here I have links free of antibiotics, hormones, or added sugar. Simply slice in half for easy sauteing and eating. From the root squash family, first, creamy sweet potatoes, a nutrient-rich substitute for the traditional potato salad. Slice into smaller pieces. Here I'm using half moons. This makes it easier and quicker for sauté. Oh, and if only I'd taken a moment to sharpen my knife before prep today, right? It's a bit sticky. Zucchini, particularly high in vitamin A, which supports our immune system. Again, slice into small, uniform pieces for easy sauté. With your knife, lift at the wrist, down and forward. You know the routine by now. You want your holding hand to be in the shape of a crab, so your knuckles will help guide the blade and keep your fingers safe. This flying saucer-shaped squash is called a patty pan. It has beautiful scalloped edges, and the skin is a tender source of valuable fiber. Radishes are an underappreciated root vegetable. They're notorious for supporting a healthy digestive system, and they can help purge the body of cancer-causing substances. Simply slice the radish into little circles and the green onion into little dices. Easy. I throw in colorful green and white beans for crunch and essential vitamins, including folate, which is important for healthy cell function. Step number 3. Here is our French vinaigrette. Making a homemade vinaigrette can help you customize the flavors and add fresh, nutritious ingredients like lemon, herbs, and spices. Once you start making your own dressing, there's no going back. We dive into step number 4 in our cook-well approach, heat. Add a bit of healthy fat. Here I use bacon drippings I had in the refrigerator. Working in batches, start with your firmer vegetables. Here are potatoes. Stir to coat. Salt for sparkle. Press to sear. And a quick steam. Check doneness with a simple spearing of the fork. When slightly tender and forgiving, they are ready. Crisp and caramelized on the outside, pillowy tender on the inside. Depending on how many people you're serving and how much you've prepped, you may need to saute another batch or 2 of your potatoes. The key to browning is to coat in oil and leave space so the steam can escape. Then, once browned, pile the ingredients together with a tablespoon or 2 of water or broth, and the lid in place, which allows the trapped steam to tenderize the vegetable. Next batch is sauteing our firmer squash, although they may need a little less time as they already have a fairly high water content themselves. Once browned, add in your beans to brown. Together, you can give them both a quick steam. Beautiful, colorful, and packed with nutrients. To combine for a caramelized-inspired potato salad, I mix everything back together in the pan and gently stir. The onions and radish are mixed in last, and everything tossed in with our bright herb-filled vinaigrette. I can't tell you how amazing this smells. With our picnic potato salad ready, we finish our heat step with a final browning of the sausage links. They're already fully cooked on purchase, so just a simple searing is needed. Feel free to add more sauce if you like, or not, depending on how you like your dish. Happy picnic and enjoy.